Hey, what's up, guys? It's Mac from Cryptstar, and today I want to go ahead and walk you guys through Here and Now, the Passage. It's a very exciting generative NFT experience on the Tezos blockchain. I'm going to go ahead and head over to my desktop, and I'm going to show you guys. This is the website, the Passage Space, and I minted my 5 passes yesterday. And this generative experience is brought to you by Here and Now, Wide Awake Beets, and Alexis Andre. He goes by MacTuitui on Twitter. Google him. You can see a lot of his artworks, and maybe I think that might be like an art exhibition he did. But he is apparently located in Tokyo, so that's really, really cool. Hopefully, I'll get a chance to do an interview with him sometime in the future. So let's go ahead and head back to Here and Now. You can see you have these tokens. Now I can enter the passage. The passage is open. Go ahead and generate my generative art, and let's go ahead and enter. So it scans my tokens, it says. All right, let's go to 367. Let's do this first one here. Create your planet. Oh, nice. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, so press F to enter full screen, and then press the space bar to begin. Ooh. Dun, dun, dun! Take your time. I will. The path is yours to choose. Here and now. Wow, there's a lot of doors. I do not know which door I want to do here. One door, 2 doors. Let's go. That door's open. Oh, you can't even go in these doors. Oh, never mind. What that noise is? At least leaky faucet here somewhere. Let's go in here. Okay. Oh, there's a cool coin right here. Nice. I guess I'll take the coin. Oh, that's mine. Oops. I guess is that the end? Oh, it must be the no, 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 no. I want to go back this way. Go back this way. Yep, 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 nope, nope, nope. What's here? What is this? Is this something here? Oh, the concrete door. Oh, well, my mouse is acting all wonky. Uh-oh. Mouse is acting wonky. What's happening? Is it better to use the... Oh, mouse stopped working. That's not good. I have to walk backwards. Okay, my mouse is not working very well. Okay, but when I go like this, oh, okay. Try this again. Let's try this again. Okay, it's working now. So it looks like the mouse acted wonky for some reason because I don't know why. Okay, let's go to the door. Kuriaizu. Kuriaizu. Not sure. Okay, so do I want... What is this thing? Do I want this thing? I think I get a choice of this thing, that thing, or this thing. Oh, nope, I don't want that. I did not choose it. Oh, my mouse is acting wonky again. Stop it. Okay, something. Okay, it's easier not to do full screen, it looks like. It doesn't really capture your mouse very well for some reason. Okay. What's this thing? I kinda like this thing right here. I'll take this one. Oh, so I get a choice between what I want. Do I want a spirally world or a spiky world, maybe? No, I'll go for the spirally world. That's what I want. Whoa, that's kind of creepy looking. I don't know what I want here. Whoa. Spiky. Can I go in here? Whoa, that is some trippy thing going on up there. It doesn't hurt me. So I don't know what these things mean, honestly. What if I go in through this side? I have no idea what's happening. Alright, I'm gonna go through this door. Oh, it's so dark in here. Whoa, what is that? What's going on? Whoa, I'm tripping out here. Whoa! 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 Whoa, what is this thing? What is that? I don't want... It's like the ground is unfolding as I walk. Is this a door? It looks like that's a door. Okay. I don't know which door I want. Let's try. This is creepy looking. Okay. Guess. I don't know which door I should get, but I'm gonna go in through the back side. I don't know if that means anything, but I'm going through the back. Let's go. Uh-oh. What is this? Oh, dang. There is too many doors in here. What's... Well, as I move, the ceiling moves? No? Okay. What happens if I go over here? So as I move to different parts of the room, it does different stuff. Oh, okay. Cool, cool. Oh, whoa. Whoa! I kind of like this one. No, I don't like that one. What about here? What about this one? Likiness. Ooh, that's kind of cool looking. Oh, no, 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 I don't want that. I want this one. No, definitely not that one. No, I think I liked... That was when I go in the middle here. Huh? Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, over here. Okay. Well, I don't like that one. Okay, but I do. This is kind of cool. I like this. Okay, I like the spiky one. I think the best. Whoa, that's cool. Okay. Can I touch the tip? Touch the tip. No, I cannot. Okay, let's get out of here. Go to this door. Where am I? Whoa, is it going to... I hope it doesn't attack me. Oh, is that a ghost? Okay, that thing is like... What happens when I go up close to it? Like the creepiest thing I've ever heard. So what am I supposed to do? I'm not sure. I guess I just choose one of those two doors. Well, it looks like a ghost when you come over here. Well, I like the spirally looking thing better than this thing. I'm gonna go to the back side of the door. No idea if it looks like the experience is cool, but it's still not loading properly. Let's go in here. Whoa! Whoa, what is this? Is this where you choose the color, maybe? Well, I don't like blue that much, so... I don't like this color. Well, let's try this color. Vroom, wom, wom. I don't want a purple color, but... Ooh. Yeah, purple. Oh, I can't go that way. And the screen did like a weird thing again. I tried clicking. Okay, I'm gonna take purple. No, I can't go purple. Ugh. I don't like green. I don't want green. I want purple. I want purple, but I can't get purple. Maybe there's a secret door over here I don't know about. No, no secret doors. Well, that's... No, I'll go on the back of this door. Maybe that'll be purple. Cross my fingers. Where am I? I see my life flash before my eyes! Well, we're gonna do that. There we go. No, nope. There's a secret door here. Do I want to go through this secret door? Maybe there's more secret... Oh, there's another secret door. Whoa! Oh. Just enter, it says. All right, I think this is a perfect spot. All right, I think we're good. I'll take this one right. That's good. And to press space to save. I don't know what that's gonna do. Woo woo woo. Saved. This won't be the last time you see your planet. Okay. My planet has been created. Alright, cool. That's great. How do I get out? There we go. That was awesome. I wonder if I'll get when I get my planet. Wow, that was really awesome. That is one of the coolest metaverses I've ever been in, hands down. And why I say that is because I've never been in a metaverse that sort of reacts to my actions, you know? So I walk around, the walls move, it goes up and down. I don't really know what's happening, but I can kind of see the connection between, you know, what I'm doing and the world around me. Whereas in everyday reality, you really don't see that. But the honest truth is we all have a connection to everything around us. And I feel like this kind of artistic display that Beets and the team and MacTuitui have put on for us kind of shows you that everything you touch really has an effect on the universe. I just want to drop one more piece of knowledge on you guys. That is, the more tickets you have in your wallet from past Here and Now events, the more sort of characteristics that your MacTuitui generative art will have. So if you go ahead and purchase the older tickets, or if you have them in other wallets, make sure you combine them into the wallet that has the mint pass for the passage, so you can go in the passage and you can get all of the different characteristics possible. Anyways, I hope that helps you guys, and I really hope you enjoy the passage as much as I did. I will see you tomorrow. I'm going to try and do the extra room that Beets told me about. Apparently there's a secret room that you can get if you have the very first Here and Now ticket. So I'm going to give that a try tomorrow and upload it to the tube. Anyways, see you guys later and have a good one.
Bro, we need to pump it. Everybody go to Twitter and hashtag the things, pump it. You know, pump it real good. We need a good pump. Everybody deserves a nice Tezos pump.